Welcome to my channel, Berserker Gang 2019. Today, I came up here with the dogs to the Viking Camp to check the condition of the trees that I was so worried about in this surprise storm we just had. We had a surprise storm. It was very bad. We had actually about this much snow as well. I don't know, it was like 10 centimeters of snow. Came out in the morning. The van was covered in snow in the beginning of April. Can you imagine that? I mean, that's just blew my mind. And along with that, we had such strong winds that I'm looking at this forest now. I can count by just looking into the forest at least 10 trees that have fallen into the forest that haven't even fallen over yet. And there's several over at the other end. I'm going to go take a look at here in a little bit, and to see the damage. But one of the real big surprises here, kind of not positive surprises, but a whole bunch of branches came down and fell down on some of my stuff here. Luckily nothing got damaged too badly. There's a couple boards that are damaged on the fence, and none of the major equipment got damaged. The bobcat didn't get knocked out. I was real lucky about that. But it did look like it took a hit on the roof. There's a dent in the roof, but that's not gonna affect anything too wildly. And nobody got hurt. That's the main thing. And it looks like the Viking hut didn't take any damage as well. And I am working on the Viking blacksmith shop. That's due to out of cold circumstances has been put on hold for another week or so. Especially the weather here. But I do have all the materials. Now I have to go pick them up. They're at the sawmill. I have the lumbers for the roof. They weren't that expensive. I was surprised when he told me what they cost. We've got Prince down here wanting the love. Prince wants some puppy love. Yeah, you're not a puppy anymore. You're 4 years old now. Yeah, it's been a tough week. But back in action. I'm hoping you guys are all safe. I've got to quit that. That's poo. Yeah, I'm going to now cut up this branch because I can't drive the loop around anymore. And I'm going to try to save what I can from some of my trees that have broken off over here. I don't think I can do it all with one go on the chainsaw. Today's Sunday. I have to be a little bit quiet. Sunday, in Germany, but I do have my battery chainsaw, which should be enough to cut up this branches and some of those over there, and then on another day to clean up a little bit better. I need just to be able to get around in here. Luckily no major damage. I'm real happy about that. So let's see what we can do here today. Picking up all the flat tires. This makes excellent material to stuff into my living green fence up there. Very exhausting work. It's like that guy from the Lord of the Rings. What's his name? Thorin Oakenshield. Ah. Okay. Enough fun. Watch out. What's this? Always got to look at things the positive way too, I guess. That branch would have fell down on somebody's head in the summertime. That would have been terrible. And now I have a whole bunch of firewood and material for my fence to patch up some of the holes. Drive through again, that's very nice. Oh, what do you get there? Well, that was a not so productive work day. I thought we were going to have some nice weather today. Lasted about 45 minutes. And this beautiful rain cloud decided to come back and just hang around. So I got a little bit of work done. I was able to free up the drive around area there and pick up some of the branches, fix some of my plants that had got crushed under an avalanche of branches. And that's okay. That's enough for today, I think. I think it's time for dinner. I'm pretty hungry, so I'd like to thank everybody for tuning in. It's good to be back. At this point, I'd like to mention that if you're not already a subscriber to my channel, it would really help out the channel if you click the subscribe button, ring the bell, and click all notifications. That way YouTube will know you want to see more of my videos and you'll get notified every time I post an update. It seems that 50% of my viewers are not subscribers, so it would really help out the channel. That being said, wish everybody a wonderful day, stay safe, and see you soon.